It's 50 degrees out. You go out and ride. What is up, guys? Need for Steve back at it with another video. Will be my actual first vlog of 2020. Can't believe I made it through almost 3-4 decades. It's, like I said, 2020. God damn, it's like middle January, 55 degrees today. Man, it feels good to be able to vlog. It was weird. I was gonna go make a video last week talking about this Alpinestars Domino Tech hoodie jacket, but today's video is not going to be that. It is going to be a complaint rant video about the fucking SENA 10c Pro. And you intro. Alright, so we are back. So, as you guys have, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Happy 2020. I do appreciate you guys for watching my shit content. But as you know, I record all my motovlogs with the SENA 10c Pro. I was having an issue last week where it, battery's fully charged. I would get about, maybe a minute and a half into the video, it should off saying, battery's not charged. I'd reset the damn thing, like turn it off, turn it back on, try to vlog again. It would record for like 2 minutes, then it would shut it off, shut it back, turn it back on. I'd record for maybe like 10 seconds. So I just kept doing it. I'm like, I know the battery was full because I just pulled it off the charger. Like, but regardless, this has been my 4th replacement. This currently right now, this is my 3rd unit, but I've got a 4th unit on the way because this one is defective. I'm not having any luck with this video, but hey, if I get 5 minutes out of it, I'm happy. Like, what more do I want, right? That's right. Anyways, like I said, I think SENA just kind of rushed this thing, and it's garbage. I'm like, I have had 4 warranty claims in less than in just a little over a year for the same product. Like, the first one, there was an issue with the connector. I'm like, that's fine, no big worries. The second time, I think it was having issues where it would corrupt all my video files. And this one I would occasionally do it. And so anytime I'd go to publish a video, there'd be like a small skip in the video that would just corrupt the entire video until I edit that portion out of it. Like, thankfully it's an easy fix. But still, it just became such a pain in the ass, more than what it was worth. But it was just like an ongoing thing, and I'm like, so I reached out to SENA because I'm just tired of paying for, the extended warranty through Cycle Care, because every time I do it, I'm out $22. I'm like, I'm grateful that they have it, but I shouldn't have to use it within, the 1 year period of what the warranty is on these. So I contacted SENA, and I'm like, look, guys, this is ridiculous. Like, 3 replacement units in a year is fucking horseshit. I'm like, and I don't know if it's just like I said, the brand has gone to complete shit, or if it's just a shitty ass product. They tend to rush shit, and it shows in their video and their quality of work. Like, it's so irritating. But so I did all their troubleshooting stuff. I was having a hard time updating the firmware. Just gave me all these error messages, and honestly, I'm surprised because I'm this far into the video and it hasn't given me any options. I spoke too soon, so I just Like it did, it just shut off because of a low battery. But it's not low because I just pulled it off the goddamn charger. Sena, why do you do this to me? But I don't know what it is. I'm like, I think they just rushed it, or they just don't give a shit about their quality control anymore. It's like, it's just bullshit. But you know, so I emailed Sena, threw out all their online technical, and they're supposed to send a replacement unit, which is fine. I'm like, you know, is there any way I can get either like the 10C Pro? You know, is it convenience because all the money that I paid for the warranty on this thing would offset the cost of, you know, of it? But like, no, we have to send you a replacement unit. I'm like, oh, that's fine. It never hurts to ask. I wasn't expecting to say anything, but you know, again, if you don't ask, you don't know. That's kind of how it works, right? That's right. But anyway, so I was like, well, are you guys able to reimburse me for you know, the money that I paid Cycle Gear for their extra warranty? And they just kind of like not even replied back to it. So I'm like, well, that's probably a big fat no too. But yeah, I'm like, I can appreciate Cycle Gear for, you know, just doing warranty claims, because Cycle Gear is awesome. I'm like, and they're always just like super friendly to talk, so I can always appreciate that. You know, I'm like, it just becomes like a mundane thing. I'm like, it's just always like one thing or another with fucking the SENA products. I'm like, I like SENA and their simplicity and their audio quality. I'm like, their video is decently looking. I mean, like, it's not 4K, but you know, most of the time you only film videos, and like, you know, it's, I mean, most people watch videos on their iPads or their phones anyway, so having 4K streamed through a mobile devices kind of isn't really necessary. But you know, so I asked him, like, do you guys warranty your warranty items? He's like, I'm still kind of waiting on an email in regards to that. I'm like, you know, realistically, I assume that the new product would have a 1-year warranty from the time that I receive it, which in retrospect would be fair, right? No, he's sitting there telling me that it's from the original purchase date. I'm like, if that was the case, then like, does it go off the when I first originally bought it, which was December 29th of 2018. And then in 2019, I've had 2 replacement units, this being the third. Or does it go back to the one in June when I replaced it? I'm like, you know, I feel as a company that wants to stand behind your product, you know, 1 year warranty is fine and all, but it should go to the date that you received the unit and not from the actual, like, the original purchase date, or, you know, when I did the latest warranty claim, which was in June. So, like, which is stupid. Thankfully, I think with Cycle Gear, though, I believe they have their MotoGuard warranty is 2 years from when you buy the replacement unit. I think that's how that is. So realistically, it'd be covered another 1.5 years under this thing if I were to replace it. But yeah, which is fine. Like, for $22, it's kind of a no-brainer with SENA product. So, you know, that's kind of what it is. So, SENA, if you watch this video, step up your guys' fucking game. I'm like, I don't know if many people had problems with this, but I sincerely can't recommend it to anybody. I know Insta360 came out with a new action camera, and I'm super excited about that, because like, I really like Insta360. I'm like, they got their shit together, and they even have like a micro USB microphone jack instead of like their stupid dongle which GoPro uses, which, you know, everybody I know hates that damn thing. But like, maybe it's time to you know, switch to Cardo, ditch SENA altogether, and use that for vlogging. I'm like, but I'm also at the moment where I'm like, do I want to continue vlogging? Do you guys enjoy my videos? I'm like, you know, it was fun and all. I've been doing it for, it'll be, I want to say 4 years, or maybe 4 years? Maybe 4 years in June? July? No, February. I can't remember. I think it's been as long as I've been writing for. So maybe it's 5 years. Maybe, I want to say 4 years, I think. So, I don't know. What do you guys think? You know, like I said, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. As always, I do appreciate your ride. For what it's worth, I am Steve. Actually, that will be the end of my rant video. Again, I hope you guys had a wonderful holiday season. Mixed with loved ones and riding, and I hope you guys got everything you wanted from Santa Claus or Mrs. Claus or, you know, whatever. I'm just happy it's 55 degrees in June and I can go ride. Oh, it's so nice. Nice bluebird day out. Like, well, it's a bluebird day over there. It's not so much over there. If you guys don't know what a bluebird day is, basically it's a day where you got blue skies, not a cloud in the sky. It was like a term that like skiers and snowboarders use. I'm like, yeah, it's just a good old bluebird day. So just kind of one of those things that you stuck. But hey, it's nice out. It's, you know, like I said, it's over 50 degrees, and I am super happy about that. But guys, I think this is going to end this video. Again, I thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, if you like these bitch videos, I've got a whole playlist of them. Damn, that car's got all fucked up. Down in the, you know, description below, as always, guys. I thank you so much for watching. I am Steve on the Orange MT. I think I'm going to keep this thing until like June, I think. Kind of like a 1 year with the wrap. I don't know. Like, I really enjoy the wrap. I really do like it. It's weird. I got to get my turn signals fixed. I think the switch is like starting to break. Because it's weird, like on cold days, it just doesn't work. So I'm like, well, you know, like I said, I can move it to the left. It's usually the left side that doesn't work. I'm like, I don't know why. It just might be the connecting switch. I'm like, it's Japanese plastic. You know, things degrade over time. You know, but I did just roll over 44,000 miles. That's pretty good on a bike, I think. You know, a lot of people have their bikes for years and don't even reach like 10,000 miles on it. So I'm gonna cough that up as a win. So. Wait, 255, 240. No, I still got 15 minutes. Sweet. So yeah, like I said, just gonna end this video here. Again, guys, I do thank you so much for watching. I'm Steve on the SC. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Alright, bye.